Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple trick to create unlimited videos for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts using free AI tools. We'll cover everything: finding trending topics, generating scripts, creating images, and turning them into viral videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create high-quality content without spending a dime. Plus, I'll share a secret hack to get free tokens or credits so you can keep generating content endlessly. Stick around until the end and let's get started. The first step in creating viral content is finding the right topic. To do this, start by heading over to YouTube and checking out the Explore tab. You'll see a section called Trending where you can browse popular videos across different categories like music, gaming, and movies. Pay close attention to the types of videos that are getting the most views. Look at the titles, thumbnails, and formats. These clues can help you understand what's working right now. If you want to dig even deeper, use Google Trends to spot rising topics in your niche. Go to trends.google.com and switch the search type to YouTube search. Type in keywords related to your niche and analyze their popularity over time. You can even compare multiple search terms to see which one is generating the most buzz. Another smart move is to check regional trends to identify where your target audience is and what content resonates with them. By combining these insights, you can pick 4 to 5 trending topics that align with your niche. These topics will be the foundation for your next viral video. Now that you've picked your trending topic, it's time to create a killer script. A solid script is what keeps viewers hooked till the end. And the best way to do this effortlessly is by using AI. You'll want to generate multiple scripts to maximize your content options. To do this, use a powerful AI tool that can generate 12 YouTube Shorts, scripts per topic, all divided into 7 scenes. The framework is simple. Each script starts with an engaging hook to grab attention, followed by a clear body that delivers the main message, and ends with a surprise or twist to leave viewers wanting more. Once your scripts are generated, make sure to include captivating titles and hashtags that match the trending topic. These details help your videos reach a broader audience by improving searchability and increasing click-through rates. After you've selected a script that fits best, you're ready for the next step, turning those ideas into visuals. But before moving on, if you're serious about creating viral content, now's the perfect time to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AI-powered tips and tricks. With your script ready, it's time to bring your scenes to life by generating high-quality images. To do this, we'll be using DeepSeek AI to create detailed image prompts for each scene in your script. Simply tell DeepSeek AI which script you're using and ask it to generate a unique image prompt for every scene. These prompts will describe exactly what you want in the visuals, making it easier to create realistic and engaging images. Once the prompts are ready, head over to Leonardo AI to generate the images. Start by logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's quick to sign up. After logging in, go to the Image Creation tab on the dashboard. For the best results, choose Phoenix 0.9 as your preset. Next, change the image dimensions to 9 by 16 by clicking on More and selecting the TikTok aspect ratio. This ensures that your images are perfectly sized for Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Now, paste the first image prompt and hit Generate. Leonardo, create 4 high-quality images in seconds. If none of the results match what you're looking for, don't hesitate to hit Generate again until you find the perfect image. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your script. Here's a pro tip to keep generating images without limits. If you run out of tokens, simply log out, open a new tab, and use a temporary email from TempMail to create a fresh account. This way, you'll always have enough tokens to create unlimited images. With all your scenes visualized and ready, you're now set to move on to the next part where we'll animate these images and turn them into captivating videos. Now that you've got your images ready, it's time to add a professional voiceover to your videos. To create natural and engaging voiceovers, we'll be using ElevenLabs, a powerful AI tool that generates high-quality audio from text. Start by logging into your ElevenLabs account. If you're new, signing up is quick and easy. Once inside, head over to the text-to-speech section. Here, you'll find a text box where you can paste the script you generated earlier. To make your voiceover sound more authentic, choose a voice that matches your content style. Whether you're aiming for a calm, educational tone or something energetic and lively, ElevenLabs offers a variety of voice options to suit your needs. If you want to fine-tune the voice to add more emotion and emphasis, use the voice settings feature to adjust stability and clarity. This allows you to make the voiceover sound more dynamic and engaging, giving your videos that professional edge. Once you're happy with the voice and tone, hit the generate button and within seconds, your audio will be ready. After generating the voiceover, download the audio file. This file will be used in the final editing phase to sync perfectly with your generated visuals. If you plan to create multiple videos, repeat this process for each scene in your script. By adding a smooth and captivating voiceover, you'll not only enhance the quality of your videos, but also keep your audience hooked till the very end. Now that your voiceover is ready, let's move on to the next step. Now that your images and voiceover are ready, it's time to bring everything to life with smooth animations. To do this, we'll be using Digen, a powerful tool that effortlessly transforms still images into high-quality animated videos. Start by heading over to Digen and signing in. If you're new, creating an account is quick and easy, and you'll get free credits to get started. Once inside, click on Create Video to access your workspace where the magic happens. Upload the first image for your video and place it in the editor. On the left side, there's a prompt box where you can add instructions to animate the image. For the best results, paste the same image prompt you used to generate that scene. This keeps the animation aligned with your original vision and ensures a consistent flow between scenes. Hit Generate Video and let Digen work its magic. The process usually takes just a minute or two, and before you know it, your animation is ready. Repeat this process for every scene in your script. Upload the next image, paste the corresponding prompt, and generate the animation. Continue doing this until all your scenes are animated and ready for the final assembly. Here's a smart trick. If you ever run out of credits while using Digen, you can use TempMail to generate a temporary email and sign up again. This lets you create a new account and continue generating videos for free, giving you unlimited access without any cost. With all the animations ready, you're almost there. Next, we'll move on to the final editing phase where we'll use a free and easy to use video editing app to bring everything together and add trending background music to make your video stand out. Now that all the scenes are animated and ready, it's time to put everything together and create a polished, professional-looking video. To do this, we'll use CapCut, a free and easy-to-use video editing app that works perfectly for this type of content. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the animated videos you generated from Digen in the correct order to match your script. Once the clips are added to the timeline, review them carefully to ensure they're aligned with the script and flow smoothly. If any adjustments are needed, trim or rearrange the clips until everything looks seamless. Next, import the voiceover you generated with ElevenLabs. Place the audio track under the video clips and sync it with the animations. Make sure the timing is spot on so that the visuals and narration complement each other perfectly. To make your video even more engaging and boost its viral potential, it's essential to add trending background music that resonates with your target audience. elements. But instead of relying on CapCut's audio library, head over to YouTube and TikTok to find what's trending. Go to the trending section on YouTube and check out the most popular videos in your niche. Pay attention to the background music used in viral videos, as these tracks tend to perform well across multiple platforms. Similarly, open TikTok and explore the For You page, FYP, to see which audio tracks are currently trending. Once you identify a trending track, download it or extract the audio using a tool of your choice and add it to your CapCut project. With the music in place, your video will not only be more engaging, but also have a higher chance of catching the algorithm's attention and reaching a wider audience. Now that your video is almost ready, do a quick preview to check for any errors or inconsistencies. If everything looks perfect, it's time to export the final video. Click on the export button, choose the highest quality settings, and save the video to your device. With your video fully edited and ready to go, you're just one step away from publishing it and watching it gain massive traction. But before we wrap up, let's check out the final results to see how everything came together.
Stuck staring at a blank page? What if I told you AI can write your entire video script in seconds? Let's prove it. Open ChatGPT or any AI writer. Type this. Write a 30-second YouTube short script about dogs being hilarious. Then hit enter. Watch as the AI instantly generates a script with jokes, hooks, even emojis. It's not perfect, but it's 90% done. Now tweak it. Add your personality. Change the punchline. Or just use it as is. No one will know. Copy that script into an AI video tool like Pictory or InVideo. The AI will even match scenes to your words. Magic. Render, upload, and boom, your video's done. Zero writer's block. Zero stress. Just AI doing the heavy lifting. Oh, and AI can write in any style, like this Shakespearean TikTok. To swipe or not to swipe? That is the algorithm's question.
That's it. You've just learned how to create unlimited AI-powered videos for free. If this tutorial was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to keep getting awesome content like this. But wait, don't miss my next video, how I make viral 3D animation, story videos from text, where I'll show you another cool way to take your videos to the next level. Click on it now and I'll see you there.